In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel and go to the workbook where you want to lock part of the sheet. To begin, you need to unlock the whole sheet first, because cell locking only works correctly after sheet protection is turned on, and this makes sure only the cells you choose will be protected. Click the small triangle in the top left corner of the worksheet, right between the row numbers and the column letters. That selects every cell on the sheet. Now right-click anywhere in the highlighted area and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells window, click the Protection tab on the far right. You'll see a checkbox labeled Locked. Clear that checkbox, then click OK. Next, lock only the cells you want to protect. Click the A column header to select the entire category column. With that column selected, right-click inside the selection and choose Format Cells again. Go back to the Protection tab, check the locked box this time, and click OK. At this point, column A is marked as locked, while the other columns remain unlocked. Now turn on sheet protection so those lock settings actually take effect. Click the Review tab at the top of Excel. In the Protect group, click Protect Sheet. A dialog box opens where you can enter a password. Click in the password field and type demo123. Then leave the default checkboxes exactly as they are, with Select Locked Cells and Select Unlocked Cells still checked. Click OK. Excel now asks you to confirm the password. Type demo123 again, carefully, and then click OK. The sheet is now protected, and the Protect Sheet button on the ribbon changes to Unprotect Sheet. To test it, click any cell in column A, such as the one with the category name Rent. Try typing any single character. Excel displays a warning saying the cell is protected and read-only. Click OK to close that message. Then click a cell in column B, which is the Amount column, and type a new number. This time, the edit goes through normally with no warning. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your sheet is now locked on the category column, while Amount and Notes stay editable. If someone tries to change a locked cell, Excel shows a protected sheet message, and they would need to use Review, then Unprotect Sheet, and enter the password to make changes.